This is my sick dance, you know? Yeah. Little pop in there. Yeah, that's my sick dance. He's sick. You know? You know? This should be a hip hop movie, yeah? You know, while you're whacking and you're doing everything. You're popping, you just got that is there. Little MC Hammer. You know. You know. House dancing in there if you want to be. Yeah. Yeah. You know. It's my coffee bed right there. And reverse. And reverse, yeah.